In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name in Zoho Cliq efficiently and seamlessly. So whether you want to update your information for a professional rebrand or simply correct a typo, you're in the right place. Stick around, and I'll guide you through the entire process step by step to ensure you can make these changes with confidence. Let's start by logging into your Zoho Cliq account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen, where you should see your contact image. It's often a small circle showing your initials or photo. Clicking this image is your gateway to personalizing your Zoho Cliq profile. After clicking your contact image, you'll see a drop-down menu. From here, go ahead and select Profiles and Settings. This area is where you can customize and manage your account settings, offering various options to tailor your experience to your liking. Next, you'll want to navigate to Personal Information. This is a crucial section as it houses all the personal details linked to your profile. Once there, you should see an option labeled Edit Profile. By clicking this, you enable the ability to adjust the information displayed to your contacts. Now, it's time to update your name. You'll find fields for your first name, last name, and even a nickname. Take a moment to ensure the information you're entering is accurate and reflects how you would like to be addressed by your colleagues and contacts. Whether you're refining your professional identity or simply making an adjustment, fill in these fields with the names you want visible. Once you're satisfied with your changes, look for the Save Changes button. It's essential to click this to ensure all your efforts are reflected across your Zoho Cliq profile. Without hitting save, any modifications you've made won't be recorded, so don't skip this step. As a quick tip, make sure your changes have been updated by checking your profile page one more time. This helps to verify everything is correct and your new identity is properly showcased. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully updated your name in Zoho Cliq. It's an easy process, but a vital one for maintaining the accuracy and professionalism of your online presence. Remember, keeping your profile updated is not only essential for clarity, but also for meaningful communication within your network. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical tips and tutorials. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.